Assalamualaikum, welcome to Danish's kitchen. Today we are going to be making Keema Matar Aloo. So the ingredients that's required to make Keema Matar Aloo is half a gram of keema mince, 2 large potatoes, 2 medium-sized onions, green peas, 4 chopped tomatoes, fresh corianders, 2 green chilies and 2 whole red chili. You need 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 cube garlic and ginger paste, 4 cinnamon sticks, 3 cardamoms, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon whole zira and 1 teaspoon black pepper. So let's head straight to my kitchen. So first of all, as always, we're gonna put some oil in. So we're gonna add onions in there. We are going to let the onion go brown. And once the onion's brown, we're gonna add ginger and garlic paste. The onions are getting brown now. So we're gonna add ginger, garlic paste. We're gonna add zira. And we're gonna add cinnamon stick and cardamom. Give it a mix. I mean, you don't have to put cinnamon stick and cardamom in there. That's just an option. So what we're going to do now is we're going to let it cook for 2 minutes. 2 minutes up. So it's masala time. Gonna add black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. We'll give the masala a bit of mix. We'll add 4 chopped tomatoes in there as well. So the tomatoes are getting soft now. What we're going to do, we're going to add keema in there. So I've added the keema in there. It will cook with the masala. So we're going to let it cook for another 15 minutes or until the keema starts changing the colour. Also, if it does get stuck at the bottom, just add some more water in there so it doesn't get stuck. So as you can see, the keema is started to change its colour. Still not cooked yet. But what I'm going to add on top of it now is the green chili and the whole red chili in there. Give it a mix. So I'm still going to let it cook.
15 minutes later.
So the keema is cooked 70 to 80%. So now we're going to add the potatoes in there. Give it a mix. And we're going to add hot boiling water in there. Give it a mix. Mix it well. So now we're going to let the potatoes cooked So we're gonna make it soft, not that soft that it starts breaking. And once it starts getting soft, we're gonna add green peas on top of it, and we're gonna garnish it with fresh coriander. So catch you back in 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. As you can see, the keema has been served. MashaAllah, it's looking absolutely delicious. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel yet. Share it with family and friends, and we'll catch up with you guys for next time. So take care, stay safe, and have a great Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak.